Good morning, everyone. Advanced Educational Psychology Individual Differences. Module 2 Personality. Topic Measurement of Personality, Deviant Personality, and Psychopathology. What is personality? Personality refers to individual differences in characteristics, patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving. What is deviant personality? Deviant personality is any behavior that is contrary to the dominant norms of society. There are many different theories on what causes a person to perform deviant behavior, including biological explanations, sociological explanations, as well as psychological explanations. While sociological explanations for deviant behavior focus on how social structures, forces, and biological explanations focus on physical and biological differences and how these might connection to deviance, psychological explanations take a different approach. Psychological approaches to deviance all have some key things in common. First, the individual is the primary unit of analysis. This means that psychological believe that individual human beings are solely responsible for their criminal or deviant acts. Second, an individual's responsibility is the personality is the major motivational element that derives behavior within individuals. Third, criminals and deviants are seen as suffering from personality deficiency, which means that crimes result from abnormal, dysfunctional, or inappropriate mental process within the personality of the individual. Finally, this defective or abnormal mental process could be caused by a variety of things, including a diseased mind, inappropriate learning, improper conditioning, and the absence of appropriate role models or the strong presence and influence of inappropriate role models. Starting from these basic assumptions, psychological explanations of deviant behavior come mainly from three theories. 1. Psychoanalytic theory. 2. Cognitive development theory. 3. Learning theory. In adult content consumption, drug use, excessive drinking, illegal hunting and eating disorders, or any self-harming or addictive practice are all examples of deviant behavior or deviant personalities. Next, classification of deviant behavior or deviant personalities. There are two types, primary deviance and secondary deviance. What is primary deviance? This refers to the behavior that violates a social norm but that does not affect one's sense of self. What is secondary deviance? Norm violation that is a response to the problems caused by the social reaction to primary deviance. Example, community response to the rapist. Examples of deviant personality: strikes, suicidal tendencies, homosexuality or lesbianism, murder, stealing, drug abuse, prostitution, etc. What is psychopathology? Psychopathology is the study of a abnormal cognition, behavior and experience which differs according to social norm and rests upon a number of constructs that are deemed to be the social norm at any particular era. Personality and psychopathology can relate to one another in three different ways. Personality and psychopathology can influence the presentation or appearance of one another, commonly referred to as a pathoplastic relationship. They can share a common underlying etiology referred to as a spectrum relationship. Some of the different types of psychopathology include, but are not limited to, anxiety disorder, bipolar disorders, depressed disorders, eating disorders, neurocognitive disorders, etc. Psychopathology is a term that encapsulates deviant, dysfunctional, or otherwise abnormal behavior and thought process. Pathology is term used for deviance while psycho is used to indicate mental or mind states. So the psychopathology is used to describe deviance in mental status. This refers behavior that violate the social norms and values shared by most people in a particular culture or social setting. Deviant behavior or deviant personality may violate formally enacted rules or informal social norms. Psychopathology can be present in any type of person regardless of sex, age, and ethnicity. Thank you.